You want this, Daddy?
Hey, what's going on? I have a burrito bowl from, I think it's called a burrito bowl from, not Cordoba, I'm sorry, but from, where's this? Oh yeah, Chipotle. Because I called it, on my other video, I called it a burrito bowl, a taco. Because I did a video on the tacos, they were very good, very, very good. They have a 3 taco for like $6.95, very, very good. I recommend it. I got the chicken and carnitas one, I think it was. And this is a chicken salad, a chicken bowl, a chicken, I think it's called a burrito bowl, I think. But it's the bowl one. I think it's like $7.95. Oh my God, I just tasted a couple pieces of chicken. They were right here. Now they're not. But this thing is beautiful, isn't it? I cannot wait to eat this. It's so delicious. Very, very good. Worth it. So, enjoy.